Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden side table crafts project ideas for modern living space, so watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting with side tables for modern living spaces offers a delightful opportunity to blend functionality with artistic expression, creating pieces that not only serve practical purposes but also enhance the aesthetic of contemporary interiors. The design possibilities for these tables are virtually limitless, providing woodworkers with the freedom to explore various styles, materials, and techniques that resonate with modern sensibilities. One popular approach is to embrace minimalist design principles, where clean lines and simple forms take center stage. A side table with a sleek, rectangular top and slender legs can evoke a sense of elegance and sophistication, making it an ideal addition to a modern living room. The choice of wood plays a crucial role in this aesthetic. Lighter woods such as ash or birch can create a fresh, airy feel, while darker woods like walnut or mahogany introduce warmth and richness. Incorporating a natural finish can further enhance the wood's inherent beauty, allowing its grain patterns to shine through and connecting the piece to nature in a harmonious way. For those inclined toward a more industrial vibe, combining wood with metal elements can yield striking results. A side table featuring a reclaimed wood top paired with a wrought iron or steel base exemplifies this trend beautifully. This juxtaposition of materials not only adds visual interest, but also speaks to sustainability, as reclaimed wood gives new life to materials that might otherwise go to waste. The raw, unfinished look of the metal can complement the organic character of the wood, creating a balanced piece that feels both modern and grounded. Furthermore, experimenting with different shapes can yield unique designs. A round side table with a wooden top and a geometric metal base can serve as a conversation starter while providing an inviting surface for drinks or decorative items. Another exciting avenue for side table projects is to incorporate multifunctionality, catering to the practical needs of modern living spaces. For example, a side table with built-in storage can address the common challenge of limited space in urban environments. Crafting a table with a hinged top or drawers allows for the discreet storage of items such as magazines, remote controls, or even blankets, all while maintaining a sleek appearance. This design not only maximizes utility, but also helps to keep living areas tidy and organized, aligning with the minimalist aesthetic that characterizes many modern homes. The integration of technology into these pieces can also enhance their functionality. A side table with USB ports or wireless charging capabilities can seamlessly blend into the modern lifestyle, catering to the needs of tech-savvy individuals who rely on their devices. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Color and finish choices are pivotal in the creation of wood side tables that resonate with contemporary design trends. While natural wood finishes are timeless, incorporating bold colors or unique staining techniques can elevate a side table into a statement piece. For instance, a side table painted in a vibrant hue can serve as an eye-catching focal point within a neutral living space, adding a pop of color that enlivens the overall decor. Alternatively, experimenting with ombre finishes or layered stains can create a visually stunning effect that draws attention to the craftsmanship involved. This exploration of color not only reflects the personality of the artisan, but also allows for customization to suit individual preferences and design themes, ensuring that each piece is truly unique. In terms of form, embracing asymmetry can introduce an element of surprise and intrigue to wood side tables. A design that features an uneven surface or an unconventional leg arrangement can challenge traditional notions of balance and symmetry, resulting in a dynamic piece that captivates the eye. This approach resonates particularly well in modern interiors, where bold design choices are celebrated. Additionally, incorporating natural elements such as live edges or organic shapes can enhance the connection to nature, creating a harmonious blend of modern and rustic aesthetics. A side table with a live edge top retains the natural contours of the wood, celebrating its imperfections and individuality while providing a striking contrast to sleek, contemporary furniture. The integration of artistic details can further elevate the craftsmanship of wood side tables, allowing artisans to infuse their work with personal touches. Techniques such as wood burning, carving, or inlaying can add intricate designs that reflect the artisan's style and creativity, transforming a functional piece into a work of art. For example, a side table featuring geometric patterns or floral motifs can serve as both a functional surface and a decorative accent. Ultimately, the craft of creating wood side tables for modern living spaces is an exploration of creativity, functionality, and personal expression. Each project presents an opportunity to engage with the material, embrace the challenges of design, and celebrate the unique qualities of wood. Whether through minimalist designs, multifunctional features, or artistic embellishments, woodworkers have the power to transform simple ideas into stunning pieces that enhance the beauty and functionality of contemporary interiors. As these side tables find their place in homes, they carry with them not only the craftsmanship of their creators, but also the stories, emotions, and values that define modern living. The process of crafting these tables becomes a journey of discovery, where artisans learn to navigate the complexities of design while forging connections with their materials, their craft, and the spaces they inhabit. Through this exploration, wood side tables evolve from mere furniture into meaningful elements that reflect the individuality and creativity of their makers, enriching the lives of those who welcome them into their homes. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden side tables craft projects ideas for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.